Hello friends, good to see you back. In this tutorial we are going to learn two new clauses, left join and right join. In our previous video I told you basically we have 4 join in MySQL: inner join, left join, right join and cross join. And we cover inner join in our previous video. And in this video we are going to cover left join and right join. So first let's try to understand what is left join and why we should use this left join. Here you can see a table 1, and you can see another table 2. Just assume that table 1 is our left table and table 2 is our right table. And now I want to extract those kind of data which is common both of this table. With that I want to see all the data from table 1. For this we need to use left join. The left join returns all the records from the left table. Also match record from the right table. Just remember one thing, if the data do not match between table 1 and table 2, it's not going to return all the data from table 2. It is going to return all the data from table 1. Let me show you an example. Here you can see we have two tables, student table and city table. From city table, CID column is primary key. Similarly, from our student table, city column is our foreign key. Suppose Smith forgot to provide his city name. But if I use inner join, then it's not going to return Smith because it's only return matching data. If city column value match with CID column value, then it's return the data. In case we need to see all the data from student table, no matter if student forgot to provide his city or not. In that case, we need to use left join. This is going to return all the student from student table. And if student provide their city, then it's return city name. Otherwise, it's return null in their city column. Let's talk about syntax. First you need to type select command. And if you want to see all the columns, you can use star sign. Otherwise, you can provide the column names. Then you need to type from keyword table 1. Table 1 means our left table. After that, we need to use left join command. Table 2. Table 2 is our right table. And if we want to create join between them, for this we need to use on keyword. Table 1 dot column name. Here we need to pass the foreign key column from table 1 equal to table 2 dot column name. And here we need to pass primary key column from table 2. So let's try to explore it how we can use left join. Here you can see on my screen I open MySQL Workbench application and I also open XAMPP control panel. First I'm going to start Apache and then I'm going to start MySQL. And now our server is ready for connection. So I'm going to hover on my connection name demo and double click on it. Our database, personal and city. If I show you my personal table, here you can see we have 6 columns in this table. ID, name, percentage, age, gender and city. And we set foreign key to our SCT column. Similarly, we have another table named city. And I made CID column primary key. And now I want to extract left join record from both this table. For this we need to type select star from personal and I'm going to type left join. And our second table name is city. To match both of the tables I'm going to use on clause. On. But before I'm going to use alias name for this table. Personal as P. City as C. On P dot our foreign key table SCT. And I want to match with C dot our primary key column CID. That's it. If I execute this code, here you can see all the data from both of the tables. And now I want to remove city record from personal table. But I can't do it because I use not null constant for this column. And also I made this column foreign key. That's why we cannot remove data from this column. So we need to change it. But for this we need to use alter command. But for now I'm not going to use alter command. I'm going to use inbuilt tool in this software. For this we need to go to this table and we need to click on this setting icon. And here you can see all the column from the personal table. And also you can see the data type from this table. And here you can see all the constant name that we can use in the table. And enhance mean not null. For every column I use not null constant because I don't want to leave it blank those columns. So now I'm going to uncheck this SCT column. I'm not going to use not null constant from this column. That's it. Now we can store null value in this column. And also I made this column foreign key. And we need to remove the foreign key. So here you can see an option named foreign key. If I click on this tab, you can see I already created a foreign key in this table, city. And I want to delete this foreign key. So I right click on it and I click this option delete selected. And now we need to click on this apply option to apply these changes. So I want to click on it. Behind the scene it's going to run alter command. And here you can see change command SCT, and for this column we are going to use null value. And also it's going to drop our foreign key. So I'm going to execute this command. So I click apply and it's applied successfully. And now we can store null value in this column. To store null value we need to use update command. But for now I don't want to use update command. Suppose I want to remove city from Emma. So I click on this column and I'm going to click edit icon. And now I'm going to change Emma's value blank. And now we need to click on this apply option. Apply changes to record set. And I'm going to apply it. And it is going to run this command. Update student.personal set SCT blank where ID 3. And I'm going to apply this command. Finish. After applying, it sets 0 value in this column. 0 means null value. And I'm going to do same thing for Lucas. Just I'm going to remove his city value. And now I'm going to apply it once again. And once again you see it print 0. 0 means null value. So I null to record from this table. But if I run this left join command once again, even then it will show us all the data. Let's execute it. Here you can see it returned all the data from both of the table. Here you can see it returned Emma and Lucas data. But the data of these two students is not matching with any city name. So as I said you earlier, left join going to show all the records from left table, mean personal table. Either it match with city table or not. It going to return matching record, also it going to return null record from the left table. But if we use inner join for this table, so I'm going to type inner join and I execute this code. Here you can see it do not return Emma and Lucas because they do not provide city ID in their SCT column. That's why inner join do not return those students. And if we want to return all the students from the personal table, in that case we need to use left join. And once again I'm going to type left join. And if I execute this code, you can see it's written all the students from personal table. So now it's clear for you what is the difference between left join and inner join. And now I don't want to see this column. After gender, I just want to see city name. For this, we need to remove the star and we need to provide exact column name. First I want to see name column, and the name column came from personal table. So I type p.name. With that I want to see their age, p.age. And now I want to see their city name. So I'm going to use c.cityname. City name column came from city table. That's why I use C, because C is the alias name of city table. And if I execute this code, here you can see only those columns which we want to see, name, age and their city name. Not only, we can use where clause with that. So I'm going to type where age greater than 20. If I execute this command, you can see only those students whose age is greater than 20 years old. And if we want to run order by command, yes we can. We need to type order by. And I want to order by name column. So I type name. If I execute this code, you can see all the names are printed in ascending order. It starts from A, then E, L, N, S. So this is our left joint. We mainly use to extract all the data from our left table, and also it's going to return the matching data from both of the tables. Let's talk about our another class, right join. To understand right join, we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. Table 1 is our left table and table 2 is our right table. And now I want to see all the common data between these two tables. With that, I want to see all the data from table 2, no matter if it match with table 1 or not. For this, we need to use right join. The right join returns all the records from the right and matched records from the left table. Let me show you an example. Here you can see our previous tables, student table and city table. And you can see there is no student who came from Agra, means ID 4. No matter how, I just want to see all the city name from city table. And according to city name, I want to see all the student from student table. If there is no student who doesn't match with any city, then it's going to provide null value in their name column. For this, we need to use right join. And if I show you the syntax, everything is remain same. Just we need to type right join. That's it. So let's explore it practically how it's work. Once again, I'm back to my MySQL Workbench application. Now just we need to type right join. That's it. If I execute this command, here you can see all the records from city table. As you know, our right table is city. Basically, right join going to return all the data from right table. So it's return all the city name from city table. As you can see, we have no student from personal table who came from New York City. That's why you can see null value in their name column. It's going to play the opposite role of left join. It's going to return all the matching data with that, and also it can return all the null values. It's going to return all the city name from city table, no matter if we use it or not. So I hope now it's clear for you what is right join and left join, and what is the basic difference between right join and left join. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.